Hello, welcome to Autocritic USA. Today, we are taking a close look at a futuristic, heavily modified Hummer SUV that redefines luxury and rugged adventure in one powerful package. Showcased in a modern studio under bright lighting, this Hummer stands as a true masterpiece of automotive customization and innovation. From every angle, it screams strength, style, and sophistication. Starting with the exterior, the Hummer has been transformed with an aggressive wide-body kit that gives it an even more dominating road presence. Painted in a stunning matte white color, it is perfectly contrasted with bold black accents spread across the body. The front view is particularly striking, featuring a bold custom grille, sharp and powerful LED headlights, and sleek DRLs that add a futuristic touch. The custom front bumper is integrated with powerful LED light bars, ready to illuminate the darkest trails, enhancing its off-road capabilities. Moving to the sides, the SUV rides high on oversized off-road tires with deep treads, ensuring ultimate grip and performance on any terrain. The custom alloy wheels add a sporty, high-end look, complementing the tough and adventurous spirit of the Hummer. The wide fenders and rugged side steps further highlight the SUV's aggressive stance. The tinted windows provide privacy and add a sleek, stealthy appeal to the already powerful design. At the rear, the Hummer continues to impress. A robust custom rear bumper, bold taillights, and a wide, muscular stance ensure that it looks just as good leaving as it does arriving. The design language remains consistent, rugged yet refined. The matte white paint combined with black details makes every curve and edge pop under the hyper-realistic studio lighting. From the top view, the modifications are even more apparent. A rugged roof structure and black roof accents underline the SUV's off-road-ready personality. Every surface reflects studio lights with hyper-realistic precision, highlighting the vehicle's high-quality finish and craftsmanship. The whole visual is captured in ultra-realistic, 8K resolution, providing a level of detail so sharp that you can almost feel the texture of the tires and the smoothness of the paint. It's clear that this Hummer is not just built for show, it's designed to conquer, whether it's the urban jungle or the roughest trails. If you're passionate about cars that push the limits of design and capability, this customized Hummer is a perfect example. It's not just a vehicle, it's a bold statement of power, luxury, and adventure. Thank you for joining us for this detailed review. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more amazing builds, incredible vehicles, and future automotive innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Autocritic USA, for regular updates. Your support keeps us moving forward. Stay tuned.